Okay, hello and greetings once again from Japan. It's finally in October, and the weather has gone to autumn weather, which is rather nice. Instead of 33 degrees, our high has been now at 24, 26, which is pretty pleasant. Today we have a Toyota-Vellfire. It's a 2009 July. It's the 3.5 G Edition, and it's got the 3.5 litre V6. It's the four-wheel drive. It's the GGH25, so it's 2 and 4-wheel drive, optional, with 59,000 miles, 95,000 kilometers, in that lovely deep purple metallic, which is a really nice color. So, okay, and it's just a really nice car. It was a 4.5 grade in Toyota, which is, to get a 4.5 grade on a car of this age in a Toyota auction, and it's a Toyota, you're doing very well. They don't do that too often, so the car is nice. It's got the standard dealer well, no, it's not an option. I think it was standard on this particular model, 18-inch alloys with good radials. And so let's take a look at it. It's HID AFS lights and fog lights, all-round parking sensors, all the usual stuff. It's got auto folding mirrors when you open and close unlock the car. Let's see what we got here. And yeah, that's the V6, as you can see, V6 Vellfire. Comes with 2 sets of keys, and it's got power rear gate, and of course power sliding doors as well, and black dark grey cloth interior, rear entertainment, nice clean headlining. The extra headrest is in the pouch. Okay. So, yeah, these models are starting to kind of increase in price because the days of the Elgrand, it's getting harder and harder to find the 51 series Elgrands in the auctions, and Toyota is the future of the people carrier import into the UK, I would suspect. At least that's my general feeling. And Toyota is it's the best Japanese maker by far. Okay, let's open the doors, have a look in the back. This one, as I say, has the kind of Captain Airline seats in the middle. Rear entertainment, nice clean interior. These seats also have power assist, except for the sliding function. The sliding function is not power assist. So, anyway, for good interior photographs, please just look at the Dropbox link of 60 or 70 photographs. They can give you a very clear image of the interior. Some of these interiors, though, are hard to photograph, to get decent photographs. We're not exactly professional cameramen. Okay. And of course, those seats, I didn't demonstrate it, but the seats do move sideways as well. The center seats move sideways. You've got keyless entry, so the key's in your pockets. You don't need the key at all, it stays in your pocket. You've got keyless entry. The front seats are also power assist, both front seats. And you've got optional positions, memory positions for the driver's seat. Should your partner, wife or somebody, we try as much as possible to put an extra mat inside the vehicles when they get shipped out, just to protect the driver carpet. Actually, these days with non-ro-ro, the containerizing, it's not such an issue because the it doesn't get handled by the stevedores on the docks, which is a big advantage because a lot of times that is where you can have problems. Okay, cars go from our yard to our loaders. The guys that load the containers, who we know very well, we've been working with them for years, and they're very good with the cars. Okay, let's get the lights. Okay, there's your dash. You can see the mileage, 95,000. Okay, thank you, Mrs. Suzuki. Shall we start it up to see all the warning lights are off? And we can just demonstrate the... Thank you again. You can see the four-wheel drive light coming on there, going off, on again. So that's working fine. All the warning lights are off. Again, important point, this is a nice, clean, non-sticky dash. Do be careful if you're buying these. It's a pretty common problem with these cars, this model at this age, 2008, 9, 10, yeah, basically those 3 years. It seemed like we solved the issue after that. And we can replace the dash. We have done it before. It takes about 45 minutes to take this thing off and put a brand new one on. The trouble is they do cost, they're expensive. I won't mention how much. Okay, it's got a drive recorder here that will be sent separately with the paperwork. You've got your manuals inside here. Nice little drawer there. It's positively a non-smoker car. No evidence whatsoever. Got this little center box here. I imagine a lot of people who are looking at these videos are too familiar with the cars to some extent. Nice deep pocket here. And it has another pocket here. This one has a reverse camera with guidance, and you've got audio controls on here, on the center steering wheel, and cruise control down here. Nice clean steering wheel. Again, just something to check is we do get quite a few come in with some scratching or peeling on the back edge. I mean, people are wearing rings or whatever, and they just scratch the veneer badly. It's just, for something that you, as a driver, you really it's important to have a nice clean steering wheel, something you're touching all the time. Yeah, but this car is very nice. The interior is just really, really nice. Even the door card. You see a little bit of wear here from his arm. Maybe they just didn't clean it properly. Maybe. Auto mirrors down here. So that's actually an option, that's not a standard feature. And we've also already installed, it's not connected, we've already installed an illuminated fog light, so your MOT guy will put the fog light on the back and wire it into that switch. And it's nicer to at least have a switch that matches the rest of them rather than a little kind of stuck on toggle switch. Automatic wipers, it's a nice feature. And up here you've got controls for the 3 power doors. And here is the remote for the rear entertainment. That also will be sent with the paperwork. It's too risky to leave these kind of things in the car. Right, let's take a look at the engine. Oh. Here's the seat, as you can see. And you can see all that in the photographs. And the engine bay. Oops, here we go. Okay. It's the V6 3.5 litre. Just a nice clean engine bay. Chrome is all good. And finally look at the auction sheet. As you can see, it was a grade 4.5 and here's a 21, so that's 2009 July, 95,000 kilometers, 59,000 miles, wine colored, quite deep purple. And there's the auction sheet, just little ones, which are nothing of significance, and the G on the windscreen, there is literally nothing there. I don't know what it is they're mentioning. Anyway, just a proper car. So if you're looking for a people carrier, a 4-wheel drive people carrier, and your preference is Toyota, then this might be something you're looking to buy. So if it is, then please do talk to Paul at Jap-Auto-Agent, and he can guide you through the process of buying it, and we can get it containerized and shipped to Southampton or wherever else. But anyway, thanks for watching, and bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.